plug walk. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.
I don't understand what you saying.
Kick him up in the space, cool, I don't let my.
Where we at?
The liquor store. Ooh, motherfucking way. We bought the drink. I'm gonna overdose on alcohol.
You wanna rush you?
Yeah, on the right side. Cause that's the blood side, that's why. And I don't like no shoes. My shit's tied. I'm tying my shit.
Do you do wedding pictures?
Yeah, we gonna do it all. You want wedding pictures?
No, I'm talking about I know somebody that do them.
Oh yeah, I got you. I'm gonna get married too one day. I psych! What they got me in this bitch? Well, we popping champagne!
I be seeing them.
Pant, brew. Fuck, let's go talk to that nigga in the front. Man, I'm about to go. Chinese nigga, you doing in this motherfucker? Don't laugh at me. What you talking about? Hey, what you got back there, nigga? Yo!
Drinking on blood?
We drinking on everything. Come on, get some.
What's up?
Get
Hey,
some.
what's up, though?
What's up? We ain't eat up.
What up, though? You alright?
Yo, what's up?
Whatever blood. Come on, we
Speak.
getting.
You see my pants down and you ain't even saying nothing. Damn. Fuck. Give me that brown paper bag. Give me that. Let's talk about that brown paper bag. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. When I see that, I get happy. Boy, you got the 6-pack. I used to have a 6-pack till I had a beer pack, nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Let me grab a pack of dark stout.
And they spoil your phone.
Let me get this, too.
This shit, you got trill.
And let me get your daughter, man. You know I love niggas' daughters. And oh, you better not play like that, huh? I don't give a fuck. And you know what the fuck I am? I'm blood puppy. Nigga, put some respect on my name, nigga. Fucking take time out.
Hey,
So
we
what?
get 4 cups.
Fucking, who you talking about?
I don't know who you talking about, blood.
4 cups? I can't fuck with 4. Give me 5 of them bitches.
Wow, bitch.
5, you know everything I do is 5. 5 bitches. 5 cribs, 5 exotic cars, 5 blunts at once, 5 niggas getting dropped, all type of shit. You gonna sell me some liquor, nigga? I'm only 18. Damn, you doing me dirty.
They gonna fuck my man blood?
You ain't gonna fuck with me, nigga. If you don't fuck with me after you come out of the store, I'm whooping your
I
ass.
got a video. We go something, he don't got no video.
I'm whooping your ass. And my pants down again, nigga. You gay. You lucky. Get the mic stuck recording me, nigga. I'm on your ass, nigga. Fuck out of here. We out. Nigga, you ain't let me. You a hoe ass nigga. Damn, nigga. Record me and I ain't got no motherfucking pants on. Get me the fuck out of here. Ooh, we about to get back in that sleep.
Get the sleep.
Look at that. The door pop open. You hear me? Nigga, where the fuck was you at when I was going up on that nigga? You ain't my shooter no more. You fired. Damn, nigga, you ain't say you bring your girl with you, niggas. All fellas in this bitch.
Man,
I done went to this fucking studio.
You can't have no sausage party in that motherfucker.
You right. I feel bold as hell. You know what I'm talking about? Damn, nigga got the lights on this bitch. We in this bitch. Damn, nigga, where the music at? Bro, what the fuck is they doing? Bro, what the fuck, man? Oh, this nigga got candy in this bitch. I ain't never seen this shit inside one. Oh, you on some shit. So when they get hot, they borrow your bubble gum. I know what you doing. You want niggas to buy the bubble gum. Man, somebody line my shit up. What you y'all doing? My shit better be crispy too. Yeah, this one shit, that's my shit. One shoe, 1/2 of a condom, all type of shit. You only get the first half. If it slide off in you, oh well. Just don't call me, cause you call me to go on more and all that shit, I won't show. No show. Just like work. 3 times and you know you get fired. Well, 3 times, I'm happy as hell. What you talking about? No kids, no headaches, no nothing. Damn, nigga, this thing. I gotta come over there and shit.
They got to do a walkthrough, baby.
This will get a motherfucking ladder. Damn.
Man, you
What's
see
in
all
that-
that black paint?
what's
That
in
ain't
that?
black on.
Damn, okay.
Black paint
Nigga,
mean
you-
black on.
Somebody's shit was nappy as hell. Damn, you. Damn, nigga, I beat bees when that shit's still gone. What's in this bitch? Nigga, that one like the tattoo room right there. She look at me like a lollipop. Black on, that's what's up. We got our fucking, got the motherfucking vending machine. I told you he know what he doing. He come in here, niggas get high. Niggas motherfucking get a haircut and they go buy the goodies. Yup, you smart. Black motherfucker. All right, now, let me see how much you gonna charge me now. I should get the kid size. I ain't no motherfucking adult, nigga. My shit better be $7, nigga. 15 my ass. Man, what's in this bitch? Okay. Well, we gotta get the clothes on. Oh, you out here with the clothes? This bitch is so wet. Wet boy, look at this nigga. Damn, nigga, he got everything out here. Yeah, that shit look good. Yeah, I'm wearing that shit now. I'm wearing that shit. Make sure y'all get that nigga shop on this bitch, though. That shit hard. They got everything. Hoodies, t-shirts, baby bottles, probably. Shit. You gonna be sipping lean on this shit. I already know. They got the advertised weed commercial, probably. Black on, you know when black on, black get to doing their thing. You know what they be on.
When you open this
Damn, you a smart motherfucker, G. You a smart motherfucker. The only thing you need to open one of them bitches, one of them rolls up with a stripper pole. And then you got yourself a strip club barbershop. Niggas gonna get their hair cut and get tipped on this bitch.
Think about that shit.
Man, I'm telling you, my pants keep coming fucking down. That's what you was pointing at. Niggas trying to see my balls. Damn. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. I'm a nigga like a lollipop.
He said he gonna look like a lollipop for your birthday. Yeah. Look.
Real, you understand me? So, woo, you know what I'm talking about? Okay, go ahead and keep drinking. Yeah, that's how many niggas I killed.
Baby.
That's how many niggas I killed. That's how I got the faces on my shit.
Hey, you see?
Know what I mean? And I'm blessed and faithful. God bless me with something on there. You can't see it right now. It's invisible, but bitches can see it. I got the gun because, you know, I'm with that action, you know what I mean? If you need a hitman, nigga, call me. I gotta drop some niggas, know what I mean? For real. I got you. Remy, ma. That Sheetha. Remy, ma, Sheetha. That's what I fuck with. Give me, pour that shit in my cup. Nigga, somebody last hair was in this bitch nappy as fuck. I'm about to put that shit in a plant. That shit gonna help my shit grow. Nigga, niggas better not fuck me up, nigga. They like you fucked that nigga up. His hair ain't gonna never be the same. He get that nigga that murder one. That Michael Jordan shit. Damn, nigga, I've been waiting like 15 minutes.
I told you my man gonna bless you, man. You know what I'm
So your
saying?
man gonna fuck me up.
My man ain't gonna fuck you up, man. You hear me?
I don't wanna be fucked up.
Man, he gonna have you right, man. On the
Damn,
house,
he be
man.
out here fucking niggas up. Look at he fucking somebody up right there.
Man, he gonna have you right, man.
Damn. Better have me right, nigga. You gonna this nigga out here. Look how he's sipping out here. He said he's sipping both at once. Two bad bitches at the same time.
Damn.
You know what I mean? He hitting two bad bitches. You see that? Remy, beer, Remy. You know what I'm saying? He partying like it's New Year's. It ain't even New Year's. You know what I'm talking about? Party like a rock star. Put her back on camera. Come line me up. I need some dreads.
Mom outside, bye. I was like, I'm killing him. He ain't back on my motherfucking
Damn, she about to kill somebody. That's the type of shit I like.
We pulled that last night, didn't we?
I was so mad. Like, why he back on my fucking window?
Yeah, nigga about to put this club on the fuck me up. She's like, oh, You better not fuck me up.
Courtney Ginger revealed on Saturday.
I'm here you hot in the city right now with this shit. Come fuck with him.
Back to their house. I was
But if my shit fuck,
I had fucked around with
oh, we about to line me up, dog.
Jordan came by.
Man, you about to, yeah, put that bitch on me. Damn, I got a steering problem in this bitch. Damn. That nigga ain't never got his haircut before. Oh, no, I'm liking this bitch. Alright, he getting a nigga there already. Professional. Oh shit! Nigga, I just heard you. Oh, you better not fuck me up. You better not fuck me up. Oh yeah, make sure you get up top. Yeah, I like my shit like that. Yeah, grimy look. Savage. Oh my bitch gonna love this. Oh boy. I feel crispy already. Oh, that nigga fucking. Okay. You better not fuck me up, nigga. Oh, nigga, y'all hearing that bitch cutting the back to why? What you doing back there?
You good, bro?
Alright, make it so.
Good.
Clip.
I got you.
But that nigga fucking me up, bro. Bro, tell me he fucking me up.
Nah, he ain't fucking you up, man.
Alright.
He tying you up.
Alright, make sure.
Tying you up.
I'll make
I
sure.
told you, my man got you, my man. A1 Barbers, man.
A1?
Yeah.
Like
Right here
steak
on 9
sauce,
Mile
huh?
to Van Dyke, man.
7 mile where?
9 Mile to Van Dyke.
9 mile?
Yeah, you ain't know where you at, man?
Damn, no.
I got you out here in the birds, baby.
Yeah, you know, I don't come this far. I don't never usually leave off Sesame Street.
Yeah. I got you, man.
Yeah, I'm in the jungle. Let me see my shit. Let me see that shit.
That's you.
Oh, that's in me. Alright,
good,
yeah, I'm
A1.
good. I'm A1.
A1, homie.
A1, let me see that shit. Let me see that shit. Let me make sure. Oh, a nigga crispy as hell. Looking fly as hell. How much I owe you though?
That's 25.
Let me get $2 discount.
Nah.
Not $2?
Nah, that's a late night appointment, homie.
Man, you got me fucked down, man. I'm on Boo Gang! Boo Gang! Oh, yeah, I'm out!
Hey,
I'm out! Yeah, we out!
We got the best on the mile, blood. You hear me?
Nah, you ain't got the best.
Man, that shit knock boogers out your nose.
Man, I need to see get some of that.
Man,
The best.
this shit crack.
So it's A1 like this barbershop.
Man, A1 like the barber.
Oh, I know. I'm gonna need to try that shit.
All right.
I'll be the judge of that.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Damn, nigga, that shit good. Where you get that from, Kelly?
Man, it's some crack, man.
Damn, boy, I need a whole bag of that shit. Ziploc me up. Hey, Ziploc me up. Too cold on here with this shit. I'm belly the hell of a and DJ Mustard. Nigga, I'm about to be a producer next. You see, I'm about to sell this bitch to DZ. They gonna have to get off on this bitch. Yeah. Cause I'm down for my niggas. Nigga, who the fuck these niggas think they is? Nigga, I'm too cold on here. I'm charging $59.95 for this bitch. 900,000. I'm about to fuck a bitch to this beat right here, boy. Give me some of that lick, nigga. Yeah, boy. I'm about to fuck a bitch. Oh, you on that shit?
On that shit,
Bro,
you know,
I
on
roll
that
up.
shit tonight,
I
baby.
roll up.
Hey,
When you call, nigga, I roll up. I'm a fucking slut. Put it in her butt. Hey! I don't know about putting it in her butt, though. I'm trying to put it in her booty, though. And when you get the chipping, and if you throwing up them seeds, blow up. And this shit fire. Chipping me on like a moth. He's throwing up them seeds. Got grandma in this bitch. Look at grandma. She was dancing too. I'm gonna have to make puppy walk.